fishing a dry fly or nymph, the best strategy is to fish upstream of yourself. Fish see very well in front and at the sides of themselves, but cannot see very well behind them. Cast upstream, and as the fly drifts closer to you, strip the line in at the same pace the current is flowing. This will ensure that you get a drag-free drift and not allow too much slack in the line. Too much slack in the line would impede your ability to set the hook when needed.
That's the one I was after. He's a good one too, yeah.
Yep, that's a nice one. Let me get over here.
Good little fight. Yes, sir.
Nice brookie. Very nice.
Is that a brookie?
Yeah, that's a brookie.
That's a good
That's a
brookie.
really good brook.
Yeah, that's a good brookie.
Very nice.
Now that's a decent brookie.
That's a good
Look at that
fish.
one, yeah. All right, yeah. Oh, I like this. It's like hunting. I've seen the rising fish. He refused me. I went over him 4 or 5 times. He refused it. So I gave him a rest, went on the other side of the run, and then went back to him and he took it. So let's get him back in there.
Beautiful.
All right.
That's a beautiful fish.
Beautiful.
Look at him sitting there.
Now, for the small stream enthusiast, this is phenomenal. You got room to cast here, which is nice. It's small streams, which you got to be stealthful. You know, you just can't stomp in on it. And there's lots of fish, and they're willing to take dry flies. That's what I like. Oh.
Yeah, I mean, he's in there probably eating midges right now, but we throw a size, 12 PMX over him, and he comes and eats it.
Yeah, he threw him a steak. That's what you did.
Exactly.
He's eating French fries right now, and then wants a steak come by, and he'll grab it.
Yep.
But this is great. This is stealthful. You got to read the water. Fish each side of your seam. Fish the back eddies especially. That's where I took that fish, was in a back eddy. So you got to cover all the water.